In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research financial markets with Perplexity AI. This tool is a fantastic way to delve into financial data and gain insights, especially if you're looking for a comprehensive yet straightforward method. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you get the most out of this innovative resource. First, open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome, but any reliable browser will work just fine. Head over to Google's homepage. It's a familiar starting point for most, and we'll use it as a gateway to accessing Perplexity AI. Now that you're on Google, the next move is to type Perplexity into the search bar. This should bring up a list of results related to Perplexity's offerings and platform. Keep an eye out for the official website link, which should be one of the top results. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the Perplexity AI homepage. Once you've landed on the Perplexity AI's website, it's time to make use of its powerful capabilities. You'll notice a space available for you to input a prompt. This is where you can ask questions or seek information on financial markets. For today, let's use a prompt that's particularly relevant. Should I save or invest when inflation is high? It's a great way to explore financial strategies during inflationary periods. Input this question into the prompt field on the website. After you've composed your prompt, the next critical step is to hit the Submit button. This action will generate a response from Perplexity AI, leveraging its extensive data processing capabilities to provide you with a well-rounded analysis or answer. At this point, Perplexity AI will analyze the available data and craft a response tailored to your query. Be patient as the platform scours vast data sets to deliver insights. Once the results are ready, they'll appear on your screen, offering a detailed exploration of the topic. It might discuss factors to consider, like market conditions or risk assessments, as part of its response. This structured approach using Perplexity AI can be extremely beneficial for anyone looking to make informed financial decisions. It helps cut through the noise, providing clear and actionable insights on complex topics. Remember, the key to effective research with AI tools is to ask the right questions and utilize the results as a basis for further exploration or decision-making. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner in the financial world, Perplexity AI serves as an invaluable tool to enhance your research efforts and deepen your understanding of market dynamics. I hope this guide has been helpful, and with practice, you'll surely become adept at navigating financial inquiries with the help of this advanced technology. Happy researching!